Hi Ramesh, hi Ayaz. This is Randeep from FTS, and see currently I'm presenting I'm as a business analyst from FTS, and I came here for fetching the requirement for your automotive solution for requirement gathering.
Yeah. Hi Gagandeep, as with me is one of my senior member from student desk, that is Ramesh, and myself Riaz. I am head of the department, and we are basically like, as we already know, we have to our system. We need a system like automatic elective subject proposal approval enrollment system. So this is like our core need of the current scenario. So I guess Ramesh will more clear to you. Over to you.
Yeah, hi Ashok. As he told you, initially we were operating a system for our choosing our elective for our university entrance exam. That was our paper-based scenario. As we have mentioned in our proposal, now we are looking for an ERP-based system for the same. So here we are planning to have three things in that ERP system that we are required for same. Number one, what we will do, we will submit paper electronically.
You mind if I total now?
Yeah. Yeah. What we are planning from now, at the end of every university semester exam, we are planning to give the opportunity to each and every student to choose their elective for the next semester from now. So for that they can submit their subject what they want electronically, means in the system. So our whole universities, whatever is in India, or in every corner, will be connected through that system. And this
So
is first requirement.
that would be kind of web-based, like
Yeah.
Alright.
I guess let me just hold. Yes, I guess Ramesh, you was little bit confused. We have need it is be submitted by faculty.
No, there are three conditions. One is faculty, students, and minimum number of applicants should be there.
Alright, and can you people please brief me about like what was earlier stage?
Earlier stage it was on totally paper based. Paper based. Their student has to give their subject on paper. It was on written. So there was communication gap between all the universities, as there were lots of paperwork was there initially. So we are having this system through ERP based. So student has to give at the end of their semester what they want. They will submit to their university wherever they are studying, and the faculty. We will see that the system will automatically see that is there faculty is available for the subject there or not.
And what can happen when the proposal is put up to the academic board?
Yeah, to the academic board. And the third condition is minimum number of applicants should be there. There should be a criteria for minimum number of applicants for that particular subject.
Alright, and once in your situation, if it is get approved, how the information made available to the students and the faculty?
Yeah, it will be available to the students in our all campuses, in all universities. So all will be available to the starting of first semester. So this is our.
It is basically like this all has been published on our website as well as on email. The thing is that basically it is an elective subject which is proposed by our faculty, one of the faculties. So this is the system is basically we had a problem with currently like faculty have to submit their paper manually to go to that board of directors, and there they have the meeting, and then they have to just find out which one the subject they are going to take it as an elective for students for their discussions and all.
Alright, I can provide you one solution over there. Whenever like the faculty is choosing some elective subject for the student, then in that case we can trigger him an email that your elective subject is taken as this much.
Yeah, definitely that we want in the system. Our process is like first a faculty have to submit the manually paper to the board of directors. So we want this should be done by system. They had a form in which they can just enter their what exactly they want and what the course they proposed with, and we also want a facility to be uploaded their files, some PDF files that they can upload with the what exactly they are going to